Let's deploy the ChromeOS Readiness Tool to your network using the PowerShell deployment method. By using the PowerShell deployment method, you can install the ChromeOS Readiness Tool using UEM software. Click the ChromeOS Readiness Tool installer application to begin the configuration process. The installation wizard will open. Review the details, then click Next to proceed. Select the Other Deployment Options option to proceed with the PowerShell deployment method, and then click Next. Select the GCP storage option to store the final assessment results. Click Next to move forward. Sign in with your preferred Google account. This will be used later to access the Pro dashboard. By selecting the GCP storage option, your readiness assessment data will be stored in the GCP storage bucket and retrieved in the Pro dashboard. Once you have signed in properly, a message will be displayed. Click OK. Please provide your company's full legal name and complete address details. You also have the option to upload your company logo, but this is not mandatory. If you do choose to upload a logo, it will be displayed on your Pro dashboard. Take a moment to ensure all information is accurate before proceeding. Click Save. After providing your details, the tool will connect with the cloud storage. First, select the correct cloud storage type. As a Pro user, choose the company Google Cloud Storage option. You can refer to the storage bucket creation video to create the storage bucket. After the storage bucket is created, enter the storage bucket name. Click on Connect to the Cloud Storage button to connect with the cloud storage. In the deployment configurations, select the number of days for the data collection period. The final report will be generated after this period. Additionally, you can choose to enable browser insights, along with choosing to hide the tray application in the client's device. Click Next. To begin the installation, click Install. Now the report generator installation will begin. Now the configuration is completed. Click on Export your private key to download the private key file. Save this key file securely, as it is necessary to view readiness assessment details in the Pro dashboard. Additionally, you can choose to do a group deployment by exporting the deployment package accordingly, or export the deployment package as a unified batch file if you prefer. Now the configuration process is completed successfully. Data collection for the ChromeOS Readiness Tool assessment will now begin.